So let's start making the new recipe, beetroot kababs. So the ingredients, there's grated beet, mashed potatoes, some chopped onion, black salt, regular salt for taste, chopped coriander, some red chilli powder, cumin powder, half a teaspoon amchur, and breadcrumbs. Say half a cup of breadcrumbs. Mix all of them well. The dough is a little soft, so I add in a little more of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is usually used for binding all the ingredients together. All the ingredients are well blended. Pat your palm with a little oil, and now we divide it. We have made a few kebabs, which now I'm going to place it in the refrigerator for half an hour. I have removed from the fridge. It's quite firm enough. Put some oil in the frying pan. Dip it into the maida and the water mixture. Pat it with a little breadcrumbs. The kebabs are done. Now we shall plate it out. You can either fry the kebabs in deep fried or shallow fried. On health reasons, I prefer shallow frying it. Serve it along with chutney.